Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach Django. Today's lesson is about adding members and deleting them, okay? We're going straight ahead to the demonstration for the admin interface because this is so simple that I don't need any, preliminary like PowerPoints to explain it to you. cd to this address and then manage.py run server. And then go to the Django administration page with the following address over here. We are going to add new members, okay? So first off, let's go to members and we have the following: Jeff, Bean, Jane, Jess, Atkinson, Honey Brown, as well as their join date, okay? Let's click add member and we have the following, login, first name, last name, phone, and join date, all according to our models that we've coded in, right? So let's go ahead and first name Strawberry, last name is Smith, phone is 1234567, and then join date, let's see, September 5, and save. Okay, so now we have Strawberry Smith, September 5, 2024. Now you don't have to go back and forth like this. You can go ahead, add member again, and I'm gonna go with Kate. Let's go with Hudson, Kate Hudson, right? Phone is 78, just random. And then join date is today, and save and add another, and you go back to the same form, okay? When you click on members over here, you go back out. We have Kate Hudson, Strawberry Smith, November 7 and September 5. Now, what if I want to delete a member? We have Jeff Atkinson and Bean Atkinson over here. Now, I want to get rid of Jeff. Okay, I want to get rid of Jeff Atkinson, September 3, 2024. And I'm going to select Jeff. And then I'm going to go to Action, Delete Selected Members. Click Go. Are you sure you want to delete the selected member? All of the following objects and their related items will be deleted from your database, and you won't find it in your files as well. Okay. Yes, I'm sure. And now we don't have Jeff Atkinson anymore. So that's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Learn today, better tomorrow. Next topic is going to be about Django variables. So we're getting into, the nitty-gritty of programming it. So see you next time.